You gotta speak first.
Morning, everyone. Welcome back to an episode of Create with Linda. I wanted to show you Jenny's get up today. Her glasses. What are you doing?
My sunglasses?
Where are you going to go today?
Program.
Look at them so they can see how cute you look.
Program!
She's all ready for the spring cold day. It's freaking cold in here in New York, you guys. It's like in the 30s today, right now. It's supposed to be like in the high 50s, but I don't know. This weather's crazy. Okay, say Jen, wish everybody a good day.
Bye, have a good day.
she's a pip. Hey guys, so I'm just coming on and showing you. I'm making lo mein for hubby. So I have chicken here, putting chicken in it today. I have onions and carrots that I already sauteed a little bit. I have mushrooms and garlic that I'm putting in, and I have some scallions I'm going to put in. And yeah, so we're just boiling the water for the pasta. And this is what's going on. I just wanted to show you. I'm not going to show my face yet because I'm not ready yet for the day. But when I do, I will show you. Just wanted to show you how I'm starting my day. All right, guys, so here it is continuing. I just put the beef broth in and the mushrooms and the onions, and I mean the garlic and all that. So I'm just going to let this come up to a little bit of a simmer, and then I'm going to start putting all the stuff in. I got soy sauce. Let me show you. I got a little bit of rice wine vinegar I put in, a little soy sauce, some soy sauce. This is the key right here, the hoisin sauce, and a little bit of sesame seed oil. I put some ginger in it right there. Sometimes I use the 5-spice. I'm going to use just ginger today, not 5-spice. And I'm going to put garlic powder and some onion powder in it. I only put a little bit of salt. I didn't put a lot of salt because, you know, the soy sauce and all that is pretty salty. So, and the water's boiling the pasta's boiling. So I'm just going to keep making it, and I will show you guys. Here we go, guys. It's all done. I tasted it. Oh, my God, it's so good. I really don't want to toot my own horn. I really don't, guys, because I'm not about that. But I really have to say it's just amazing. It came out really good. I mean, you go to the Chinese store, you pay like $10 for like, you know, a quarter of that. So good, so easy to make. I'm telling you guys, make it for yourself. Lo mein. Hey everyone, welcome back to an episode of Create with Linda. So I'm coming on, guys, because it is Wednesday and it's good. It's 2:00 and Bill just left for work, and I have some stuff to do in this kitchen. This refrigerator, you literally open it up and things fall and hit you on the toe. So it just needs this. There's just so much stuff in there. I got to organize it all, and I might even put some stuff downstairs. I just hate putting stuff down in the refrigerator, bless you, downstairs, because I always forget it's there, and then I end up going bad and use it. But I don't have that much. This refrigerator is just, I can't even tell you. So let's get moving on it. All right. Leftovers, okay? Leftovers. I have $1 million chicken. My son just had some of it, and I still have a lot left. Mashed potatoes and corn. Probably have maybe finish that tonight. What is this? I think this is mushrooms. Yeah, mushrooms and onions. This is the leftover turkey breast. I have one in there left, half of one left in there. Look at this, shrimp, baked beans, chopped meat, apple, hot dogs, but I don't even know, I'm not even going to eat it probably. Hot dog. turkey and cheese, chicken breast, cheese, carrots, turkey, wonton wrappers that I haven't used yet, that I keep saying I'm going to use and I don't. Sour cream and yogurt, leftover pizza from last week that we didn't finish, coleslaw that I didn't have given to Jenny, which I forgot about, leftover pizza. Here, this is the pizza that we made last week. I should have froze it. Stupid. Look, should have froze it. But I didn't. All right. What else do we have here? Grapes. And I forgot I had. Are they still good? Mm-hmm. They're still good. Oh my God. The eggs that I have, guys, is amazing. And I didn't think I had any eggs. Look, leftover spaghetti. Swish, mozzarella, green cheddar, literally green cheddar. What is this? Oh, cream cheese. I think it's good, but it just got something on it. What is dripping here? Become just a mess. And if you're not up on things, this is what happens. All right. All right. Look at all the cheese, guys. Cheese. Cheese. Cheese and cheese. And cheese. Yogurt. What's it out? This I gotta take out, and I have to open it up and see if I can salvage half of it. Maybe. I here's another package of cream cheese. Look, look. Another. Butter. Oh, this is fettuccine in here. This container has fettuccine in it. I'll put that in there. Here's parsley. Here's this cheese I'm going to throw out because that's been sitting in there a long time. I have salami and provolone. Oh God, more cream cheeses. Yeah, because I had four, zip it. I had 4 cream cheeses in that box that I had bought at Walmart because I was going to make crab rangoons. So I still have, now I have 3, and this one, which I have to see if I can use still. Oh, here's my hummus. Leftover mac and cheese. I don't know if it's still good. I have hummus here. Oh, God, I was looking for my freaking blueberries. Guys, I'm telling you. See, this is what I mean. When you don't know what you have in your refrigerator and you can't see everything, you waste things because you don't even remember what the freak you bought and what you have. I'm going to freeze these. If I don't eat these are still good, I'm going to freeze them. They're not the best, but oh my God. Bacon. More bacon. A ham steak. Ham steak! I'm going to stick this right in the freezer. This is a piece of ham steak that Billy ate last week. I'm sure it's still good. Oh. Another half thing of cream cheese. Well, this is my Monjaro that I take. I have to take that later, so I have to remember to take it out. Apple juice, cilantro, salami. Where's the roast beef I bought? I know I bought a roast beef. Where the heck is that? Pretty sure I bought it. Maybe I didn't buy it. I got pepperonis in here. This is not any good anymore. Bacon, salami. Here's cilantro, parsley, butter. I'm gonna put butter in the butter dish. Butter thingy up here. More bacon. Oh my God, seriously? Yeah, I did buy roast beef. See? Roast beef. More bacon. Bacon. Let me see where Coop is. Go back. Come on, Coop. All right. Let me get a couple of Ziploc bags. I'm going to start putting some stuff in the freezer. My hair, I put it up today in a ponytail just to get it out of the way, throw it up. But it's all coming out and everything. So it is what it is, guys. This is me. So, yeah. All right, guys. So I put the blueberries and the strawberries in these bags. The strawberries are not that great and the blueberries aren't that great. But we can use them maybe for smoothies or something like that. So I'm going to put them in the freezer this way. Otherwise, I'm going to end up throwing them out. So Better saving them and using them some way than throwing them in the garbage. This freezer too, I don't even know where to begin. Don't even know where to begin. And the thing is too, like I put things in the freezer and then I don't label them because I say to myself, oh, I'll know what that is. Yeah, really? What the hell is this? You know what this is? Is this London broil? I literally think this is London broil. God help me. Alright, we can only do what we can do, right guys? Salami, 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 salami. I'm gonna put all the salamis together now. Alright guys, let's consolidate these salamis. Alright, this one isn't even open yet. This one's not even open. I'm just going to look at the date just to make sure that they're all good, which I know they are because we eat them pretty quickly. Yeah, July. I save these little containers. These containers are really good. Not all of them I won't save because I have a lot of them, but I do like to save them. My husband doesn't like that I save them, but I like them. Yeah, this one's broken, thank God, so I don't have to save it. Let me make sure these are still good. Yeah, July. Bacon. Okay, I gotta remember that I have this in here. I really got, you know what I do a lot of the times? I write a little list of what I have. Because, this way I remember that I have it, use it. Done that a lot. But I don't do it a lot also. Alright. Okay, so that's salami, roast beef, salami, cheese. And I also have this turkey here that I put in this bag this morning with American cheese. Even though cheese is in there, I'll still put this in here so I just know I have it. Alright, let's put this back in there. So that in there. I have pickles still I have to go through and see. This is garbage. These are good. I gotta go, this has to go on the bottom. Oh, zip it. I have lettuce here. I also have romaine there that I gotta use. I have salad tonight and tomorrow night maybe. Let's check out this cream cheese. I don't know. I don't like the way it looks. Nah. Doesn't smell too funky either. Alright, so I got these cream cheese here. Yogurt. This has to go back in the fridge. This is where like the cheese is. Yeah, this is I had leftover fettuccine from the other night that Jenny had, and I had this container left with some sour cream in it. So I just said, oh, let me just put it in here because I'll just add it to it. So she'll eat this or we'll eat this. So good. I have sour cream here. Oh, be quiet. Apple juice. I got pickles. Gotta be careful what you put in the back of the fridge because it friggin' freezes stuff. I have this bacon here, I have this. See, this stuff here I have to utilize. Either I gotta freeze it or utilize it. This is garbage. This is jalapenos and scallions. Carrots. This is chicken. This is shrimp. This is turkey. This is turkey. I don't know what to do with it at all. It overwhelms me. It really does overwhelm me. coleslaw. Okay, let's put this stuff away. Bacon, chopped meat. Put that in the front of the fridge there so I remember that I have it. Alright, I don't know why this is open. I have parsley, this is open too. Cilantro. Okay. Okay. Cream cheeses. Another yogurt. Oh, be quiet. I have pickles in there I want to situate as well. So I gotta say butter, butter. Okay. But my top shelf of my refrigerator is crazy packed. Crazy packed. So I gotta see what's up there. Let's see what's up here. Okay. Coffee. I gotta figure out what to do with all this stuff. Coffee. Pickles, look, more pickles. Pickles, half and half. Oh my God, I got more half and halves. Look at this. Half and half, half and half. Is this one even open? Oh, I got 2 halves and halves that aren't even open. Oh my Lord in heaven. I could put these down in the refrigerator down. Oh, one's May 25th, the other one is June 5th. So we gotta use them. Sodas, another half and half, or is this heavy cream? Half and half, more pickles, energy drinks of my sons. Look. I was looking for this freaking thing. Yesterday I was looking for this. I want to make my husband cream cheese danishes, so, and I was going to make my own homemade crescents, but I remembered I had this in here, so, but I couldn't find it, so here it is, so I think I'll do that. I don't even know, this is a, I think it's tomato, yeah, it's tomato sauce of some sort. I don't even know if it's still good or what the story is. Cream cheese, that's from Easter, it's empty. Basically, orange juice, milk. Yeah, I keep orange juice in the fridge now. My husband got a big one in case I have a low. Orange juice is the best thing for me to have. This I bought this week. I want to make this cinnamon roll. Cinnamon rolls doctored up, but I'm trying to go easy on the sugar, so I'm avoiding that a little bit right now. Alright, lemon juice. Okay. Alright, let's put this here. I'll show you guys in a minute. I'll show you the fridge in a minute. I'll bring these over here. I close my eyes so I can be with you. Let's push this over here. Let's get the pickles. Julie was here the other day and I gave her two jars of pickles. These guys, I told you last time, from Sam's. Oh, they're so good. They're olives with stuffed with jalapenos and garlic, and they're not hot. They have a tiny little kick, but they're not hot at all. They're so freaking tasty. I'm telling you, all day, not all day, but once or twice a day I'll come in here and grab an olive. Love it, love it. They're so good. Got those. Oh my God, I still have more pickles back here. Oh, I gotta give them away. I gotta give these pickles away. not funny. I got peppers back here. Well, I put them back here. I don't even know why I did that. But all right. Let's see. Probably because there was nowhere else to put them. Peppers and zucchini. I gotta make this zucchini. I'm gonna take this out because zucchini. If I don't see them, I'm not gonna make them, and they're gonna end up freaking going bad. And I can't stand when I do that. I can't stand it. God. I didn't even know I had that many eggs in this freaking house. I have a whole 18 pack, right? 18 pack? Yeah, a whole 18 pack. I'm gonna have to make some deviled eggs. Whole 18 pack, and then I have 2 eggs here. You know what I'm gonna make? I'm gonna make some more hard-boiled eggs, because I've been eating hard-boiled eggs, guys. I make like 5 or 6, and then during the week I eat them. Like I've made them, and I've only have 1 left. So I'm gonna make some hard-boiled eggs. That's what I'm gonna do, because they're great for me to have, and I can use up some of my eggs. Use up some of my eggs that I need to use up. I have lemons. Do I have lemons in here too? Yeah, I do. Right? Yeah. Shit. Yeah. So I bought more lemons. So I got these lemons, and I got these lemons in here. I'll show you. Let's open up these lemons. Because I like to keep, let me get a knife. Baby belong to me. Help me. I'll show you. Help me. Bring his back over here. So that's the fridge, guys. Let's bring his over here. Okay. So what I do is I have these in here. This chocolate has been here. What is that? Cream of some sort. This chocolate has been here forever. I don't even, it's Trader Joe's. I don't even know how old it is. Oh God. 2022, October 2022. Here's a coffee that was in the back of the refrigerator. It's frozen, so I'm keeping it in the sink to let it defrost. Anything in the back of the fridge, I don't know why, freezes. I don't understand it. I don't know what's whipped cream on here. I gotta clean this thing out. This thing is really, and clean these lemons off. Right there, guys. Clean this out here. Yeah, I can't, I keep my lemons in the fridge now because I've heard that they stay longer, and they do. They last a lot longer keeping them in the fridge, but I hate putting them in my drawer, in my crisper drawer, because they always get lost, and I just forget I have them, whatever. So I like to put them in here. So this is what I'm doing now. So let's get these two and wipe. I think it's whipped cream. So I have these 2, these 3, these 4 Look at them. That I have to use up. But I'm gonna put these are the newest ones. I'll put the newest ones, the newest ones over here. And these are the four oldest ones that I have to use. Like those. So we'll put this back in here. Just trying to think. All right. So here are the pickles. So these are regular. These are garlicky. These are regular. I'm gonna mix these together is what I'm gonna do. Mix these all together. So good. Okay, so these are regular. These are garlicky. These are regular too. What I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take these, because these are mild garlic. I'm gonna mix these into here with this one. I haven't tasted these. I tell you, the apple cider really makes a difference. These don't have that much. These don't have any apple cider in them. You could definitely taste it that they don't have them. I'm going to put some apple cider in that one and let it sit in there with that. Let me get it. Let that sit. These are going to go in the sink. I have these. So I have these. These are sour and these are spicy, supposedly. I should probably just put them together. I'm going to do that. I'm just going to put them together. Let me dump some of this juice out of this stuff out of here. I'm going to put apple cider in here. put the rest of these in there. If they fit. We'll put those in there. And we'll see if we can put, we'll put the rest of these in with these. Alright guys, so there's the pickles. Alright. So we got, I got my 3 jars of pickles. Now at least I know they're combined, and you know what I mean? They'll be gone probably in 3 or 4 days. My son just comes in here and just eats them, and I use them for Jenny's sandwiches too, like the little sliced ones. And my olives, gotta have these on the end of the fridge, right in the front, so I can grab them. So good, so yummy. All right, I gotta put these. Now the thing is that you gotta make sure what's pushed in the back, because that's the problem. Things get pushed in the back, and the things that get pushed in the back can't be in the back because they freeze. So like the milks and stuff, they can't be in the back. Those have to stay out in the front. All right, I got more salad dressings. This I don't even know how long this has been here. This isn't good. This is from January. That's not even good. This is still, this I just bought. This is good until July. So I have that. See, that's the problem, guys, is with this door. This is the problem here. I have so many condiments. My son, it's not only me, my son has so many condiments too, that he has this sweet sauce, this hot sauce, this friggin' everything. We have so many condiments that I don't even know what to do with them. That I don't want to put them downstairs because I'm not going to friggin' want to go downstairs every time I need friggin' salad dressing. That's obnoxious. So yeah. What are you going to do? All right, so I got to figure out what to do with this stuff because let's try to utilize. The bottom line is that if I don't use this stuff probably within the next 2 to 3 days, then it has to go in the garbage. But it's I think it'll be eaten. I got shrimp that I had yesterday that were really good still. The mac and cheese I'm sure is not good anymore. But I have beans and I have fried onions here that are good that we can use probably tonight. This tonight I think I'm making, I'm going to make a steak I think, and I might make tacos as well. So I got zucchini, peppers. I'm gonna leave the peppers right here. In front here. They gotta be used too in the next 2 or 3 days because I can feel them getting a little. I'm gonna leave these out here so I remember to use them. And this I'm gonna empty out. I feel better. I know what we have. Oh Lord. I also have a big thing of where's my towels? Oh. I just made a big thing of lo mein you saw for lunch. Lunch/dinner for Bill. I had a little bit myself that I have to put in containers, but I'm not worried because that'll be eaten. Billy will eat that. So for tonight, I'll show you. Oh, I gotta plug this in, otherwise we're gonna be losing the battery. For dinner tonight, I have chopped meat over there, and I have a sirloin steak that my son and I will share, and Jenny will have tacos, I'm sure. Me and Frankie will share this. You know, I'll have a piece of it, and he'll have a piece of it, the rest of it. And then I have chopped meat here that I have intentions of making tacos with it, and I'm gonna make some stuffed peppers, I think, with those peppers. I'm probably gonna make like 4 stuffed peppers, and then with the rest of it, I'll make tacos. I also have some meatloaf mixture left in there from when I made Billy a couple of hamburger yesterday. So I still have that in there that I have to utilize. So I'm gonna put these both in the refrigerator because it's only 3 o'clock. We have an hour or 2 before dinner. And I think I'll make that zucchini with dinner tonight. And yeah, this has to defrost. That coffee has to defrost. Oh, I have scissors in there already. All right, let's pack this up. Let me get the containers. I'll pack the lo mein up. Give me 1 second. Guys, I had this banana bread left. I already gave Julie some. I had a couple of pieces of this since I made it. I gave Jenny a piece this morning, and I still have half of a thing left. I think tomorrow I'm going to give half of this to my landlord neighbor down the street. Sweet lady. I want to give those to her. All right. So look at this. And I purposely made a lot. I did because my husband loves it, and he'll eat it, like I said, all week. Still hot. It's literally still hot. It looks like from the Chinese store. I put in these containers that I have. I'm going to do it over here because I don't want to. My stove needs to be washed anyway, but it's going to be worse if I do it over here. Come over this way. Okay. Today is what, Wednesday? Yeah, today's Wednesday. I don't know why I keep thinking today is Thursday. So I made it with mushrooms, guys, and chicken. I showed you mushrooms, chicken, onions, scallions, yummo. All right, guys, so here it is. Here is my lo mein. All wrapped up, ready to go in the fridge. So I got 3 here. Like I said, these will be eaten, I'm telling you. They will be eaten. So, so good, guys. Okay. I'm a jokester. All right, guys. So I think I'm gonna end this video now because it's 3 o'clock. I'm gonna sit a couple of minutes. Well, I got dishes to do. I think I'm gonna sit a couple of minutes, do a little bit of word searching, and then by that time it'll be like 5 o'clock, and I'll get ready for dinner. So I'll see you on the What's for Dinner, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because when you subscribe, it helps my channel grow, and I really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that notification button with the bell so you guys can be notified every time I upload a new video. Like and share and comment down below. And thank you so much, guys, for coming into my kitchen with me and creating and coming in my kitchen today with me and organizing this refrigerator. Thank you so much. All right, guys. See you on the next video. Bye. Bye.